I tell you one incident when I messed up big time in an interview call because of my overthinking and my anxiety. So when I resigned from my previous company, I didn't have any offer at that time. So what I started, I made myself open to work in LinkedIn. I started applying for the jobs, and one of the recruiter they reached out to me and they shared the JD. So when I went over the JD, I felt, oh, this is I'm the perfect fit for this role, and the company was giving me good hike, and it was work from home job. So I was so happy that yeah, the recruiter reached out to me and was so happy about that interview. So they reached out to me in the evening Wednesday and they asked me, okay, if I'm available for the interview. I said, yeah, I am available. So after half an hour, they scheduled a Teams call, and that half an hour I messed up in that half an hour because my anxiety took over. My overthinking took over my thoughts, my mind. My mind got blank. It was not, no thoughts were making sense at that time. I didn't I didn't realize that I'm messing a big time, and it was like I should have reached out to the recruiter and asked them to reschedule the interview, but I didn't because of my anxiety. I was not able to breathe at that time, and still I joined the call. And when interviewer was asking the questions, I was blank. I was Even if I was giving the answer in my mind, it was like, oh no, this is not the correct answer. Oh, I'm messing this up. Oh god, what the interviewer is thinking about me right now. So I messed up. I was over explaining things and I was confusing the interviewer. I was confusing myself. And after half an hour, the interview wrapped up and the interviewer said, it was nice talking to you. Bye bye. And it was the final goodbye. I didn't, they didn't hire me. So then that's what triggered me that, oh my god, this overthinking, this anxiety, it is making my life hell. I lost one of the good opportunity because of my overthinking. So then I started doing some things which helps me calms my mind and my thoughts. So I'm going to share all those methods which I am following nowadays because it's helping me. So I'm thinking that it will help you too if you are going over the same phase which I went through. So I'm going to make a video about how to overcome and what are the methods you can follow to stop the overthinking. So stay tuned. Bye bye.